Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a new YouTube update they made a little while ago. So you're going to open up YouTube, go to your videos, and then see how like kind of there's no three dots anymore, like the title doesn't stop. I don't know if you noticed that. But then anyways, if the title isn't short enough to where you can click those three dots, then you just hold down on one video and then it pops up exactly what it would for if you press on the three dots. And then you can go to edit, whatever, delete, whatever, share, playlist, watch later. But yeah, basically that's how you do it. If you go to home, you see your recommended. Say you want to do the same thing, say the three dots don't show up. Like for this one, the title's short, kind of. You can click the three dots and you can go to this one, just hold it down. So that's all it is. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and see you in the next video. Peace.